Or one coffee and one ice cream.
Filled up my tank last week and it cost me barely at the machine. Swiped another 40. Driving around town to get all my thoughts out. Clearing my head needs an hour past sundown. Slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA. Well, that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different, I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window, D&D on my phone. Actively checking the mirror behind me. Not a siren in sight, no, the dark, it's blinding. When I'm out on the road, it's me riding solo. Behind the wheel I go, slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA, but that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different, I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home.
One two-step with it like the way you dance. Church coming in, bought you another bag. Diamonds and gems, bouquets of flowers. Show you I care, so you don't doubt it. Feeling like I won the lotto when you say it back. Looking centerfold, you know how to act. Spinning when we dance, don't get nauseous. Someone to you, so I take caution.
Is it worse, is it better if we get a shot and it don't last forever? I'm looking for my forever girl. Could be the one so good at a shot. Sing you up right now, we're trying to splash. At least I know I give it all I got for you.
Showing love only feels right. We could crash at my place when we get tired. Think I wanna give you all of my time. Having better days with you by my side. Be nice, cause you keep it real with me. Think I want forever. Do you want forever?
Is it sex, is it worse, is it better if we get a shot and it don't last forever? I'm looking for my forever girl. Could be the one so good at a shot. Sing you up right now, we're trying to splash. At least I know I give it all I got.
I give it all I got for you. by your window pane.
I'll be the girl wearing your shirt out in the pouring rain.
This ain't a rom-com, this is real life, let me show you, babe. Don't need a plane again. So why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to say anything.
When you call up, I get thought up like I'm being alright.
I get nervous on the surface, ain't a James Dean type. We're just cooped up in a cruiser on a Friday night. We could let it ride. Why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything. Quit being overthinking about everything. Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything. Quit being overthinking about everything. Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything. I need to say anything. Need to say anything.
It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind, all the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white, sorta like a picture in a drawer. I don't wanna look at anymore, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Holding on to someone who's the only.
Getting married after 30 is still beautiful. Starting a family after 35 years is still possible. And buying your first house after 40 is still a boss-ass move. Don't let people rush you with their timelines, just move as you do. Just move as you